Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. When you dock your boat alongside a pier, you will always have the most control when you keep your bow into the wind or current as long as possible. But there will be times when the elements overpower your boat. You could end up abeam to the wind as shown in this illustration. You might be too close to other vessels to make a corrective maneuver. The safest action to take may be to break away and try a new approach. Let's take a look at how you can do that now. Realize that most vessels have a natural tendency to back into the wind. When you operate reverse propulsion, the vessel's stern will seek the wind. In this case, we have the wind off the starboard side. Let's see how we can use this to our advantage. We turn our wheel to starboard and back hard with our engine. As soon as we gather sternway, the rudder will help turn the stern to starboard and the boat will back into the wind. When we have cleared all boats, we shift our wheel in the opposite direction, give a burst of ahead propulsion with our engine, and maneuver our boat into clear water. Practice emergency maneuvers like these in open water. That way you will have the confidence to control your boat in close quarter situations wherever in the world you choose to sail or cruise. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.